What's up, guys? People on Toast here. I haven't been able to upload in a while because my phone, the Galaxy S3, is not cooperating with me at all. It's been having a lot of problems, and I don't have my upgrade till next October, so it's not too good. But right now I'm recording on my mom's iPhone 4, but there's something wrong with it where it can't record in Wi-Fi, so that's just a standard definition. But as you can see, I got a new Zippo. They had two retail prices on them, so I don't know which one it was. But then the actual store had it for $14.95. That says Blue Zippo Gripped, I think it stands for. So as you can see, it's a satin chrome Zippo with the blue grip. Try to get it out. There we go. There's just your warranty. Then the actual Zippo is from 2002. I don't know if you can see that. But the actual Zippo is nice. It feels pretty cool in the hands because it's thicker. Obviously with this blue grip.
Really?
So as you can see, it's brand new. Never lit. And I'll take that out quick. One sec. Sorry about that. So the case is brand new as well. And that is from D of 02. I don't know if that'll focus or not. Yeah, it's not going to focus, but D of 02. I believe I have 16 Zippos now. When I get to 20, I'll have an updated Zippo collection video. But, yeah, this is definitely a pretty cool Zippo. I think they have a red one as well that I will probably be buying in the future. Can't even talk right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. And that's my new Zippo.